This part of the tutorial is dedicated to the restaurant nutrition, a new feature that was added to the application in version 1.5. And also I would like to mention that if you don't find a restaurant that you like and have access or know where to find the nutritional information for the items of the menu, uh, and send me this information, or uh, send me the link on the web where I can get this information. I would gladly add the restaurant to the database so that you and others can use it. Right now there's over 400 restaurants in the database, and I would like to start with the tutorial part, restaurant nutrition. So we start in the application. In order to get to the restaurant feature, you need to be in Today uh, tab of the main page. You click on the button Restaurants on the bottom of the screen, and it will bring you to the page Restaurant Nutrition. You can find the restaurant of your choice in two ways, simply by navigating through their directory. Uh, Forwards, if you like a restaurant that starts with the letter J, you will click on, you will slide to the letter J and click on that tag, and it will open a list of the restaurants that start with the letter J, and then you are sliding the list till you find what you need. Or you can simply type the part of the name in the text box on the top of the screen. For example, if I'm looking for the restaurant Papa John's Pizza, I would just simply type word Papa there and click Find button, and it will give me all restaurants that have this word in their name. So after I found the restaurant that I'm interested in, I'm clicking on it, and it will bring me the categories of the menu for this restaurant. For example, the categories of the menu for the Papa John's Pizza is pizza, sides, desserts, dipping, sauces, and extras. Uh, in order to get to the menu item that you like, you can do it also in two ways. Simply by clicking on the category of the item and then find the item by sliding through the menu, or putting the word that contain in the name of the item. For example, if I would like to have a pepperoni pizza, all what I need to do is type word pepperoni, and click find, and it will bring me the list of items that contain this word in there. So for example, I'm interested in pepperoni medium size pizza. There are values that you see there on for each item are for individual servings of that particular item on a menu. So by clicking it, you will select that item, and you will be asked if you would like to go to uh, your meal selection, or you would like to stay on the menu so that you can select some other items on a menu, but get back to the menu and go to your meal at any time. So it's easy navigation right there. So if you say no, you will stay on the item where you are. By clicking back, it will bring you back to the categories. So for example, if I want to look for the sides, well, for example, I would like to have, for example, honey chipotle wings. And by clicking it, I'm selecting it. And now I would like to go to my meal selection. So it brings me to another tab on the screen uh, called Your Meal. You can go back to uh, the Papa John's pizza menu by clicking or sliding to it, and you can go back to your meal the same way. So once you are selected all the items that you are interested in, and you can go ahead and change the number of servings, uh, or choose the part of the serving that you will intend to consume. For example, uh, I selected medium pizza, but it doesn't mean that I will actually have just one piece. Uh, so the values that you see are for one slice of pizza. I would say I would consume 3 pieces of it. That will change their nutritional values based on the size of your meal. So I changed that to 3 slices. It changed the points, nutrition, and calories accordingly. I click save if I satisfied with it. If I want to go back and change something else without saving this, I click cancel, and then I need to go back into this, change the number of slices again, but now I will save it. So as you see, it changed the number of points and calories and all the nutritional values according to the size of my serving. If I want to change the size of the serving, for example, if I want to have half of a serving, instead of putting the whole number, we'll put, for example, 0.5, which is a half of a serving, and as you see, it changed the values accordingly. If I click save, it will save it, and now I will see the values of the meal summary and also the individual item that I changed. I can go ahead and add this item, well, this whole meal to the values of uh, food I have eaten today, but I would like to show you how can I delete items from their list of meals, from their meal. For example, if I don't like this item, I decided not to eat it, I just go ahead and click delete here, and it will be subtracted. So say I'm ready to save this meal for today, and say it wasn't midday, it was evening. So I selected the time of the day to add this meal to, and I'm clicking add today, and I will be asked right away if I want to go and view uh, it on my main page, or I would like to stay here and make some additional selections or changes. If I say yes, it will take me to other my main page, to the Today tab, where we'll see that I have have had 18 points. So it's have added their pizza to my food today, and I can see it in view log right here, and if I want, I can see their the nutritional value of this meal, and I can delete this item if I want to right here. If there would be multiple items, they all will be presented here as well. I'm talking about here in the list, and I would be able to delete it as well if I have to. So that's actually all to this part of the tutorial.